Installing a Bluetooth antenna. Note: this task requires a wrench. If necessary, use the wrench that comes in the PMB air baffle. Unfasten the screw that secures the wrench to disengage it from the air baffle. Insert the Bluetooth antenna into the slot. If necessary, place a washer between the chassis and the screw nut, and then fasten the screw nut with the wrench to secure the Bluetooth antenna. Note: the optional antenna kit comes with a washer. This is an optional part that enhances friction and is not required in general scenarios. Align the wireless adapter with the standoffs on the system board, and then lower the wireless adapter until it is firmly seated. Secure the wireless adapter with 3 screws. Connect the Bluetooth antenna cable to the wireless adapter. Move the cable holder to the unlocked position. If applicable, remove the protection cover from the cable. Gently press the cable connector down until it clicks into the connector on the WLAN module. Move the cable holder to the locked position. Make sure the cables are secured by the cable holder. Install the WLAN antennas. Make sure the SMA connectors are fully extended. If necessary, turn the screw between the 2 SMA connectors counterclockwise to extend the SMA connectors. If necessary, place a washer between the antenna and the server, and then turn the antenna clockwise until it is firmly secured to the chassis. Reinstall the processor air baffle. Note: make sure to adjust the processor air baffle according to the configuration. To install the riser assembly on the node, connect the power cable to backplane 1 and then connect the other cables from the riser assembly to the node. Align the front of the riser assembly with the edge of the chassis, and then lower the riser assembly into the node. To secure the riser assembly to the node, fasten the 3 captive screws on the top of the riser assembly. Fasten the 3 screws at the sides of the node. Fasten the 2 thumb screws at the front of the riser assembly. Reinstall the PMB air baffle. Reinstall the top cover. Use the key to lock the node covers.